Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Brandy Nicole. B to the R to the A to the N to the D to the I to the Nicole. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a video on fried Twinkies. We're on this quarantine and we just felt like doing something with some sweets. We're on this quarantine and we wanted to do something as far as like something sweet, fried, and everything like that. It's almost 11 p.m. here where we're at. So we usually don't go to sleep till late anyway. Say hi, Malik. Say hi.
Hi.
Say how you doing.
What do you think that?
Say how you doing.
What are you doing?
Because you got so much to say.
What did you say? Bunny.
So let's get started. The first thing the ingredients that we're gonna be having is obviously the Twinkies. We have the Twinkies, milk,
Pie.
baking soda. We have olive oil.
Oh, Mama did.
We have vinegar.
Mama did.
We have salt.
I did not.
We have flour, and we have sticks because we're gonna put them on these wooden sticks. And we have powdered sugar. You almost gonna get that so soon. So let's get to the video. Okay, so I've already mixed the salt. I just did a pinch of salt, and then I have the baking soda in the bowl as well. I'm gonna put a whole cup of flour in the bowl as well. Like that.
Okay, so my name's Little Cece, and I'm going to be mixing the whole milk into the oil and vinegar.
We're gonna do this one, baby.
Yep.
Now, just pour that in here. Hold on, baby. Let's mix it like this. You want some help? We've mixed all of the ingredients together, so we're just waiting for Malik to mix this. You done?
Yeah.
Okay, take this out.
Make it.
Keep it right there. You gotta add the Twinkie.
Thinking, no one's thinking.
Put that in there. Rub it around. Mix it. No, go like this. Like toss it. No, you don't need that. Toss it through there. Just go like this. Just toss it in.
I didn't make it.
Does it feel weird, boy?
Yeah, does it make it or pop that?
You're hilarious.
So we done ended. We're ending the video with us completed with the Twinkies on a stick. I'm gonna have Malik try it. You gotta bite into it.
I felt that.
Bite. Bite. Is it good? Do another bite. Here. Hold it yourself. Boy, I ain't gonna hold this for you. Can't get it on camera. This is my first time having a fried Twinkie.
This is my first time having a Twinkie in general.
Pretty good, huh?
It's like funnel cake.
It's really good. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Thumbs it up. Share it. And we will be back with another video. It may be a cooking video. It may be a prank. It may be anything.
I may or not exist in it.
She will. Without further ado, B to the R to the A to the N to the D to the I to the Nicole. You know what I just thought about? What if I forgot how to spell my name?
I've done
Like,
that.
what if
I've
I
done that because I got 10 letters and I'd be like, oh. I gotta go sing my name because I made, like, since my name has basically almost a good portion of the alphabet in it, like C-A-R-R-R-E-G-T-O-N.
Yeah. But thank you for watching again. I love you. And let's do this again. I'll see you at another time. Peace.